Welcome to our video on the 7 most popular microgreens to grow at home. Microgreens are the tiny edible plants that are packed with nutrients and flavor. In this video, we'll explore the most popular microgreens that are easy to grow in your home and add a fresh crunch to your meals. Arugula is one of the most popular microgreens, known for its spicy, nutty flavor. It's easy to grow at home and takes about 7 to 10 days to be ready for harvest. Arugula is rich in vitamin C, folate, calcium, and many other essential nutrients, making it a great addition to any salad or sandwich. Basil is another popular microgreen that has a sweet and spicy flavor. It's not only easy to grow but also grows quickly in just 5 to 7 days. Basil microgreens are rich in vitamins A, K, and C, and are great to add to pasta dishes and salads. Radish microgreens have a slightly spicy and peppery flavor. They are also very easy to grow and ready for harvest in just 4 to 6 days. Radish microgreens are packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and dietary fiber, making them a perfect addition to sandwiches and tacos. Sunflower microgreens have a nutty and crunchy flavor. They require a bit more effort to grow, taking about 10 to 14 days to be ready for harvest. Sunflower microgreens are rich in vitamins E and B complex, and are perfect for adding to stir-fries or salads. Pea microgreens have a sweet and delicious taste and take about 7 to 10 days to be ready for harvest. Pea microgreens are loaded with proteins, vitamins, and minerals and are great to add to sandwiches and wraps. Cilantro microgreens have a strong and unique taste. It takes about 7 to 14 days for the cilantro microgreens to be ready for harvest. Cilantro microgreens are rich in vitamins and minerals and are great to add to Asian-inspired dishes and salads. These are just a few of the many microgreens that you can grow at home. Microgreens are easy to cultivate, packed with nutrients, and perfect for adding flavor and crunch to your favorite meals. So, start growing your mini garden today and enjoy these taste-packed microgreens.